Aren't you something to admire? Cause you shine in something like a mirror. I can't help but notice you reflect in this heart of mine. If you ever feel alone and the glare makes me hard to find, just know that I'm always parallel on the other side. Cause with your hand in my hand and a pocket full of soul, I'll tell you there's no place that we couldn't go. Put your hand on the glass, I'll be trying to pull you through. You gotta be strong, cause I don't wanna lose you now. I'm staring right at the other half of me. The vacancy that's sat in my heart is a space that now you hold. Show me how to fight for now, and I'll tell you, baby, it was easy coming back into you once I figured it out.
It's just hard not to look at you.
Just looking at your eyes. I think
It's like you're my mirror staring back at me. I couldn't get any bigger with anyone else beside of me. And now it's clear as this promise that we're making, two reflections into one. It's like you're my mirror staring back at me, staring back at me. Aren't you something that original? Cause it doesn't seem really assembled. I can't help but stare, cause I see truth somewhere in your eyes. Ooh, I can't ever change without you. You reflect me,
Why did you
I
do
love
that?
that about you.
Because I love
And
you.
if I could, I would look at us all the